Okay, listen carefully, all the students. This is today we are going to learn about present continuous tense. Last 2 days back we already learned about present indefinite tense. So today once again we have to learn about present continuous tense. So what is present continuous tense? This present continuous tense, especially the auxiliary, it will be remain same. Auxiliary means helping verb. That auxiliary before we got in the present indefinite tense, what you know? Am, is, are. Am, is, are. So in the present continuous tense also, the auxiliary or your helping verb, it will remain same. This am, is, are only will use in present continuous tense also. You got my point? Is it clear? So the rules of using your helping verb or auxiliary verb, I always said, with the first person singular number always have to use am, understand? And with the third person singular number always will use is, and are will use in all other remaining subjects like you, we, they. Okay, so in that place aja ko jotso jaga no are asuru nai pogbu se tahu no obone pore before after then you have to be remember in the present continuous tense, all the continuous tense, not only present continuous, it may be in past continuous, it may be in future continuous. So in the present continuous means in all the present continuous you have to remember the main verb. With the main verb always have to add ing. Ing means in. Ing means what? In. Ing, in. That in have to add with the main verb. Main verb, which one is your main verb? In the present continuous, main verb means in the present indefinite you got as the main verb I go. That go was the main verb. Okay. So in the present continuous tense, how will you use you here? I, and always I said, just now I said I with the I as the auxiliary have to use am. Then I, after then will use am. I am. Okay. In the present indefinite tense there is no am. If you are using am, then no main verb can use there. But here you will use the main verb. You will use the main verb, but with the main verb always have to add ing. I am go plus ing. This means going. Understand? I am going to market. I am doing the job. They are working the job. Any of things, any of sentence, when you are doing always have to use ing. Is it clear? This much only it is in the present continuous. Okay. Ask chalono takun kon kari haro omsungno nungsur ke paja. But present continuous tense means in Cockburg also I'll say means of present continuous tense. Okay, always you have to use tamo nung jukhanya ngai main verb logiwa ing plus tapai nai. আর auxiliary hengkai am is ade bisingo I ni logio am hengkai he ni logio is tai onyo jagana are te pare nai hengkai nung thanga continuous sung khamane na ing ganang ni babedi. Is it clear now?